Hey everybody, this is a really quick video of how to separate the Rockies Eazy Roller grommets right here. When you use your screwdrivers, put them in on the side without the tab on it, because I'll show you after I take them apart. There's a lip on the other side that you could just bugger it up a little bit with a screwdriver. But let me see if I can do this. Okay. Take your screwdriver, push it into one side. That's it, it's apart. Now, if you look at this side, it's got a raised lip on it, and this side is recessed. So that's why I said put your screwdriver on the flat side here, because if you start poking a screwdriver through this side here, you can damage that lip, which isn't a big deal, it wouldn't matter. But anyway, that's what I discovered. That's it. 5 seconds per clip. Later.